I'm going to run a LLM on my 4-year-old mobile. What this does is that it gives me complete control and a completely private and local model where no cloud APIs are being called. For this, I will compile llama.cpp on my mobile using the Termax Linux emulator. I'm installing F-Droid via the APK, which basically can be done if you have rooted your device. After this, we will install the terminal emulator, which will allow us to run a Linux kernel on Android. And on this, we will install llama.cpp and build it from source. Just like in a Windows update, we will now find out any of the packages that needs to be updated and run an installer for upgrading them. The Termax permission setup allows the app to access the storage inside the Android device. So if you want to download a GGOF model file, the Llama server can then access it directly. I now use a single line of code to tell the Termax package manager to install the essential development tools which will be required to build a software from scratch. I will now clone the llama.cpp GitHub repo onto my mobile and compile it on the device. Since the repo is now available on our local mobile storage, we will now create the build folder in it and run the cmake command. Cmake is like the architect. It looks at the folder above it and analyzes the llama.cpp source code. It performs 3 checks: the hardware detection, which tells it whether the CPU will support the processes. Then it looks at any dependencies which are required, like the clang compiler, and also creates a blueprint, which is the make file, which is a highly detailed hardware specific instruction manual that tells a compiler exactly how to build llama.cpp for your specific device. The second command triggers the compilation process based on the makefile that we have just created. We also tell the compiler to optimize the final code for speed and performance. Now that we have compiled llama.cpp from source, let's use it to run a llama 1 billion model from the Hugging Face Model Hub. Even though I'm running on an edge device, this is an OnePlus 10R model, which is like 3-4 years old, but I still get kind of decent token speed, and the generation is also good. So I thought this was kind of cool, where you have all these powerful models on your own mobile while not spending a single dollar on any API calls. Do tell me if you are planning to build anything awesome with this. Have a great day.